80 weather vocabulary in English. Weather. Weather. Weather refers to the atmospheric conditions present at a particular place and time, including temperature, humidity, precipitation, wind speed and direction, cloud cover, and atmospheric pressure. Temperature. Temperature. Temperature refers to the degree of hotness or coldness of an object or environment, measured using a scale such as Celsius, degree C, or Fahrenheit, degree F. Climate. Climate. Climate refers to the long-term patterns and averages of atmospheric conditions, such as temperature, precipitation, humidity, wind, and atmospheric pressure, in a particular region over an extended period of time, typically spanning decades to centuries. Dry. Dry. Dry typically refers to an absence or low level of moisture or humidity in the atmosphere or a particular environment. Wet. Wet. Wet typically refers to the presence or abundance of moisture, water, or liquid in the atmosphere or a particular environment. Precipitation. Precipitation. Precipitation refers to any form of water, in liquid or solid state, that falls from the atmosphere and reaches the Earth's surface. Humidity. Humidity. Humidity refers to the amount of water vapor present in the air. Wind. Wind. Wind is the movement of air relative to the Earth's surface, typically horizontal but also occurring vertically to a lesser extent. Cloud. Cloud. Clouds are visible masses of water droplets or ice crystals suspended in the Earth's atmosphere. Rain. Rain. Rain is a type of precipitation in which liquid water droplets fall from clouds and reach the Earth's surface. Snow. Snow. Snow is a type of precipitation that falls in the form of ice crystals or snowflakes. Sun. Sun. The Sun is the star at the center of our solar system, around which the Earth and other planets orbit. Clear. Clear. Clear typically refers to a weather condition characterized by cloudless skies and generally favorable atmospheric conditions. Partly cloudy. Partly cloudy. Partly cloudy is a term used in weather forecasting to describe sky conditions where the sky is neither completely clear nor completely cloudy. Overcast. Overcast. Overcast is a term used in weather forecasting to describe sky conditions when the sky is completely covered by clouds. Storm. Storm. Storm is a meteorological phenomenon characterized by strong winds, heavy precipitation, thunder, lightning, and sometimes other atmospheric disturbances such as hail, snow, or tornadoes. Thunderstorm. Thunderstorm. Thunderstorm is a type of convective storm characterized by the presence of thunder and lightning. 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 Lightning is a natural electrical discharge that occurs within thunderstorms, producing bright flashes of light and intense heat. Tornado. Tornado. Tornado is a rapidly rotating column of air that extends from a thunderstorm cloud to the ground. Hurricane. Hurricane. Hurricane is a large, powerful tropical cyclone characterized by strong winds, heavy rainfall, storm surges, and potentially destructive impacts. Foggy. Foggy. Foggy describes a weather condition characterized by the presence of thick clouds of tiny water droplets suspended in the air near the Earth's surface, which reduces visibility to less than 1 kilometer, 0.62 miles. Blizzard. Blizzard. Blizzard is a severe winter storm characterized by strong winds, heavy snowfall, and reduced visibility. Blustery. Blustery. Blustery describes a weather condition characterized by strong, gusty winds that are often accompanied by cold temperatures and unsettled atmospheric conditions. Damp. Damp refers to a condition where surfaces or environments are slightly wet or moist, often due to the presence of humidity, condensation, or recent exposure to moisture. Drizzle. Drizzle. Drizzle is a light, fine precipitation consisting of small water droplets that fall slowly from the sky. Flood. Flood. Flood is an overflow of water onto normally dry land, causing inundation of low-lying areas, destruction of property, and potential risks to life and safety. Hail. Hail. Hail is a type of precipitation that consists of small, solid balls or pellets of ice that form within thunderstorm clouds and fall to the ground. Rainbow. Rainbow. Rainbow is a meteorological phenomenon that occurs when sunlight is refracted, or bent, and dispersed by water droplets in the atmosphere, resulting in a spectrum of colors appearing in the sky. Snowflake. Snowflake. Snowflakes are ice crystals that form in the atmosphere when water vapor condenses and freezes onto microscopic particles, such as dust or pollen, at cold temperatures. Snowstorm. Snowstorm. Snowstorm is a weather event characterized by heavy snowfall, strong winds, and reduced visibility, resulting in significant accumulations of snow and potentially hazardous conditions. Rainfall. Rainfall. Rainfall is the amount of precipitation in the form of water droplets that falls from the atmosphere to the Earth's surface. Hot. Hot. Hot describes a high temperature or a sensation of warmth that is above what is considered comfortable or typical for a given environment. Warm. Warm. Warm refers to a comfortable or pleasant temperature that is above what is considered chilly or cool, but below what is considered hot. Cool. Cool. Cool typically describes a temperature that is comfortable and refreshing, but lower than what is considered warm or hot. Cold. Cold. Cold typically describes temperatures that are significantly lower than what is considered comfortable or warm. Freezing. Freezing. Freezing refers to the process by which a substance changes from a liquid state to a solid state as a result of a decrease in temperature. Pleasant. Pleasant. Pleasant experiences often involve a sense of physical comfort, such as being in a cozy environment, feeling relaxed, or experiencing pleasant sensations like warmth or softness. Celsius. Celsius. Celsius, symbol, degree C, is a unit of measurement for temperature on the Celsius scale, which is based on the freezing and boiling points of water. Fahrenheit. Fahrenheit. Fahrenheit, symbol, degree F, is a unit of measurement for temperature on the Fahrenheit scale, which is commonly used in the United States and a few other countries. Downpour. Downpour. Downpour refers to a sudden and heavy rain shower characterized by intense precipitation over a relatively short period of time. Snowfall. Snowfall. Snowfall refers to the process of snow precipitation, where ice crystals form in the atmosphere and fall to the ground as snowflakes. Calm. Calm. Calm describes a state of tranquility, peace, and quietness, often characterized by the absence of disturbance, agitation, or turbulence. Weather forecast. Weather forecast. Weather forecast is a prediction or estimation of future atmospheric conditions based on meteorological data and scientific analysis. Weather change. Weather change. Weather change refers to a shift or alteration in atmospheric conditions over a period of time, typically ranging from hours to day. Forecast. Forecast. Forecast is a prediction or estimation of future events or conditions based on available data, analysis, and expertise. Showers. Showers. Showers in weather terminology typically refer to periods of precipitation characterized by scattered or intermittent rain or snowfall over a relatively small area and for a limited duration. Misty. Misty. Misty describes weather conditions characterized by the presence of fine water droplets suspended in the air, often reducing visibility and creating a hazy or foggy atmosphere. Breezy. Breezy. Breezy describes weather conditions characterized by the presence of moderate to strong winds, typically with sustained wind speeds ranging from about 20 to 30 miles per hour, mph, or higher. Gust. Gust. Gust refers to a sudden and brief increase in wind speed, typically occurring within a short period of time and often accompanied by a sudden burst of stronger wind. Mild. Mild. Mild describes weather conditions that are pleasantly warm and moderate, typically with temperatures that are comfortable for outdoor activities and daily routines. Ice. Ice. Ice refers to the solid state of water that occurs when it is cooled below its freezing point, typically at or below 0 degrees Celsius, 32 degrees Fahrenheit. Frost. Frost. Frost refers to the formation of ice crystals on surfaces, typically when the temperature of those surfaces drops below the freezing point of water and moisture in the air condenses directly into ice. Sleet. Sleet. Sleet is a form of precipitation that consists of small ice pellets or granules. Arid. Arid. Arid refers to a climate or environment characterized by a lack of moisture or rainfall, resulting in dry conditions with low humidity levels and limited vegetation. Hazy. Hazy. Hazy describes weather conditions characterized by reduced visibility and a lack of distinctness in distant objects due to the presence of fine particles or moisture in the air. Sunrise. Sunrise. Sunrise is the moment when the upper edge of the sun appears above the horizon in the morning, marking the beginning of daylight. Sunset. Sunset. Sunset is the moment when the upper edge of the sun dips below the horizon in the evening, marking the end of daylight and the onset of twilight. Cirrocumulus. Cirrocumulus. Cirrocumulus clouds are high-altitude clouds that appear as small, white patches or ripples scattered across the sky in a regular pattern. Solar radiation. Solar radiation. Solar radiation, also known as sunlight or solar energy, refers to the electromagnetic radiation emitted by the sun. UV index. UV index. The UV index, or ultraviolet index, is a measure of the intensity of ultraviolet UV radiation from the sun that reaches the Earth's surface at a particular location and time. Windsock. Windsock. Windsock is a conical textile tube designed to indicate wind direction and relative wind speed. Anemometer. Anemometer. Anemometer is a meteorological instrument used to measure wind speed and, in some models, wind direction. Weather vane. Weather vane. Weather vane, also known as a wind vane or weathercock, is a traditional meteorological instrument used to indicate wind direction. Cold front. Cold front. Cold front is a transition zone between two air masses with contrasting temperature, humidity, and density characteristics. Cyclone. Cyclone. Cyclone is a large-scale weather system characterized by a low-pressure center surrounded by rotating winds that spiral inward in a counterclockwise direction in the northern hemisphere and a clockwise direction in the southern hemisphere. Typhoon. Typhoon. Typhoon is a powerful tropical cyclone that forms in the northwest Pacific Ocean. Monsoon. Monsoon. Monsoon is a seasonal wind pattern characterized by a change in wind direction and weather conditions, most commonly associated with the Indian subcontinent, Southeast Asia, and parts of Africa and Australia. Evaporation. Evaporation. Evaporation is the process by which liquid water is converted into vapor or gas and enters the atmosphere. Condensation. Condensation. Condensation is the process by which water vapor in the air is converted into liquid water. Cumulus. Cumulus. Cumulus clouds are a type of cloud characterized by their distinct fluffy, cotton-like appearance and generally flat bases with rounded tops. Stratus. Stratus. Stratus clouds are a type of low-level cloud characterized by their uniform, featureless appearance and smooth, grayish-white sheets or layers that often cover the sky like a blanket. Nimbostratus. Nimbostratus. Nimbostratus clouds are a type of low-level cloud characterized by their thick, dark appearance and uniform, featureless structure. Cumulonimbus. Cumulonimbus. Cumulonimbus clouds are towering, vertically developed clouds that are associated with thunderstorms and severe weather. Climate change. Climate change. Climate change refers to significant and long-term alterations in temperature, precipitation patterns, and other climatic variables across the Earth's atmosphere, oceans, and land surfaces. Global warming. Global warming. Global warming refers to the long-term increase in Earth's average surface temperature, primarily driven by human activities that increase the concentration of greenhouse gases in the atmosphere. Global warming refers to the long-term increase in Earth's average surface temperature, primarily driven by human activities that increase the concentration of greenhouse gases in the atmosphere. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to my channel for more videos. Let's learn.